This rain though. The fuck this shit just come from? Like, I'm really about to grind this weather system the fuck up. Like it's really pouring. Like, look at my fucking window. I don't feel like getting the fuck up. Like, they really just started drawing. And they really did. Just play theyself all the way around. Weather system fucked theyself over with me, cause they gonna have to mix me tomorrow. They gonna have to mix me. They really is. Like, it was just sunshine and birds chirping. There was Hurricane fucking Sandy outside. Like, yo. Fuck. Somebody really got some explaining to do. Like, just 20 minutes ago, it was like fucking The Simpsons, oh, sunshine and shit. Now it's like dum 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 dum, boom boom, Dexter's Laboratory outside. The fuck, like fucking Invader Zim outside, like fucking Robot Chicken in the beginning. Like, it's really like that out there. Like, the fuck out of here. The sky white, like, I never seen no shit like that. It's not even gray, it's white. Fucking white sky. Fuck the sky getting married. No. Fuck out of here. Like, somebody really got some explaining to do. My fucking blinds almost came off the window. Like, fucking, my window was cracked open. All this rain just came here. I just took a fucking shower in bed. Like, the fuck? No soap, but I did just take a shower real quick. Fuck out of here. I'm mad as shit. Like, somebody really gotta mix me now. Somebody really do. And anyway, good night.